Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. And I just want to explain to you guys a little bit about affordable luxury. So if you've never subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the LaShaun channel. Join the family. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video, share the video. And to everybody who's been here before, welcome back. All right, guys, so let's get into this video. Let me share with you guys what I picked up. So this is the box. This is how it came. I am going to flip the box over and open her up, and you just slide her up like that. This is how the box comes. They always take such great care in their packaging, and I love that about all the luxury brands, okay? This is how it came packaged up. Now, in this box, I only have a couple things, and I'll share with you what's in this box. All right, guys, so the first thing that's in here, these are samples. They use really pretty pouches and drawstring pouches. And if you can see it, it says Chanel there across the bottom. And they give you samples with everything. One sample, I have two. This is the Chanel Volume Control Mascara. And it's just a mini mascara. I'm not going to open it because I give these away for stocking stuffers. And then also in here, there's, this is a sample of their Revitalized eye cream. So this is like a little eye cream as well. So these make really great stocking stuffers. So you always get free samples with every little purchase that you do with Chanel, okay? The next thing I got from them, I picked up their SPF. One thing about Chanel, I absolutely love their SPF. Being a woman of color, or any woman, we need SPF on our skin. Being a woman of color, though, we need a strong SPF. And one thing about Chanel, Chanel has an SPF of 50. That is amazing for women of color, for our melanated skin. Anything above 35 is absolutely perfect for our skin. And I just love their packaging. It feels so luxurious. It's heavy. It has the Chanel logo, but it's just really good packaging, really good quality packaging. So of course, that's what you would expect from Chanel. So I'll set that there. And then the next thing I picked up from them, I do not like buying cologne as a blind buy, but I was very curious about Gabrielle. And so I have smelled the essence. I did not care for the essence. I was 50-50. So I figured, you know what, since I have a purse spray of the essence, I'll go ahead and see what the regular Gabrielle smells like by getting the body lotion. Again, not spending a bunch of money for a big bottle of cologne, so perfume. So I opted out for the lotion. The lotion was, I believe it was like 65 bucks or something like that, guys. But it was very, very affordable. And this is her right here. And I'm glad I did it this way because I smelled the lotion and I absolutely loved it. Of course, I love the packaging. The packaging is just superior. I love the Gabrielle, the regular Gabrielle more than I did the essence. So because I got the lotion, the next time I got the shower gel, and then the third time I made the splurge and got the parfum. Okay, so in this particular box, we have the body lotion, okay? And so, like I said, I think it was $65, but the price should have been on there. There's that Chanel logo. Beautiful, beautiful packaging, guys. So, yeah, and I'll come back and I'll share everything with you. All right, guys, so this is the purchase that I got from Chanel this particular time. This purchase was $100 on the dot. And As you can see, it was a really good purchase. I got some free samples, I got my SPF, and I got my lotion. And again, affordable, $100. Guys, we spend $100 eating out at the restaurant in a week's time. I know I do. But like I said, luxury can be affordable. You don't have to buy everything all at once. You can get things piece by piece until you accumulate an entire collection of something. So just I'm really excited that, you know, we're learning how to buy things and stay within our budgets and our price points. So like I said, I also purchased the shower gel at another time, and I purchased the parfum at another time. So now I have a complete set of Gabrielle, and I'll share that with you in another video coming up real soon. But guys, luxury can be affordable. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of the video. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below how you like this video and if you want to see more. Until the next video, thanks so much, guys. Bye.